Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to view current events from the accounts you follow on Facebook. If you're someone who loves staying up to date with the events happening around you, this video is for you. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, let's get started. Head over to the Play Store and type Facebook in the search bar. Look for the iconic white F with a white background, tap on it, and then hit the install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your account. Great. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. From the shortcuts bar, tap on Events. You're doing fantastic. We've made it to step 3. Inside the Events section, you'll come across a range of events. However, we're specifically interested in events from the accounts you follow. To view these, tap on Following. Now, things are getting exciting. As you scroll up and down, you'll find a variety of events that are currently happening or scheduled in the near future. This is a great way to stay in the loop with the activities of the accounts you follow. Almost there. If you come across an event that catches your interest and you want to stay updated with similar occasions, simply tap on the star icon. By doing so, you'll receive notifications and updates about similar events in the future. And there you have it, folks. A complete guide on how to view current events from the accounts you follow on Facebook. Now you can easily stay connected and never miss out on the exciting activities happening around you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.